What if your degree taught you to solve business problems like an engineer? At Colorado School of Mines, business is about data-driven decision-making, solving real-world problems with an engineer's mindset.
If you want to be able to grab data and tell a story, then this program is definitely for you. If you want to get into finance or just a tech and AI, this will allow you to really delve into those skills along with applying it in a real-world application.
At Mines, business and technical expertise go hand in hand, giving graduates the skills to ask the right questions, analyze complex systems, and drive meaningful solutions. Our industry-sponsored capstone projects give students real-world experience, solving actual business challenges for companies before they even graduate.
I'm actually going through the capstone project right now, and it's been a great experience to collaborate with my classmates and work with an amazing client who's given us some real-world experiences to give us a peek into what our careers will be in the workforce.
At Mines, you're building a network of future scientists, engineers, and innovators.
The thing that separates Mines from other business schools is giving us a technical background to work with other engineers.
With the Mines entrepreneurship and innovation ecosystem, you'll have access to mentorship, funding opportunities, and the resources you need to bring ideas to life. If you want to understand the strategy behind successful companies, be a data-driven decision maker, and bridge the gap between business and engineering, this is the place to start. Ready to engineer your future in business? Learn more at mines.edu.